You've heard it 1,000 times. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. But what if I told you something could bend it? Not a mirror, not a lens. I'm talking about gravity. That invisible force that holds planets in orbit, pulls you to the ground, and even warps light itself. Sounds impossible? Einstein didn't think so, and he proved it. Let me explain how gravity bends light, and why this changes everything we know about space and time. We usually think of gravity as a force that pulls objects with mass. Apples fall, planets orbit. Boom, gravity. But light has no mass. So how does gravity affect it? Here's the twist. Gravity doesn't just pull on objects, it bends space itself. And light, always traveling in straight lines, simply follows the curves of space. Think of it like this. Picture a flat trampoline. Now place a heavy bowling ball in the center. The fabric sinks. Roll a marble across the surface. What happens? It curves around the dent, not because the ball pulls it directly, but because the surface is bent. That's what happens in space. Massive objects, like stars, planets, or black holes, bend the very fabric of space. Light, traveling through that warped space, curves too. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, astronomer Arthur Eddington tested Einstein's prediction. He photographed stars near the sun's edge. And guess what? The stars weren't where they were supposed to be. Their light had bent as it passed near the sun's gravity, just like Einstein said. This was the first time we saw gravity bending light with our own eyes, and it made Einstein a global icon overnight. Now imagine taking that gravity and turning it up to the max. Black holes are so dense their gravity warps space to the extreme. Get too close and not even light can escape. It's not sucked in, it's trapped by the curved space. This boundary is called the event horizon, a point beyond which light, time, and even information disappear. We only see black holes because of the way they bend and twist the light around them. Gravity doesn't just bend light, it can act like a cosmic magnifying glass. When light from distant galaxies passes near something massive, like another galaxy, it bends, creating rings, arcs, or even duplicates of the same object. This is called gravitational lensing, and it lets us detect galaxies behind other galaxies, map invisible stuff like dark matter, and see parts of the universe we otherwise couldn't. All thanks to gravity warping light. Crazy, right? So what do you think is wilder? A, that gravity can bend light? B, that light can actually be trapped forever? Drop your vote in the comments, A or B. And if you're loving Space Science Explained Simply, hit that like button. Here's the big idea. Gravity isn't just pulling things, it's shaping the universe. And even light, the fastest traveler out there, isn't exempt. From stars to black holes to your phone's GPS, gravity's effect on light is everywhere. Einstein didn't just change physics, he changed how we see reality. Because once you realize gravity bends light, you realize the universe isn't just floating out there, it's flowing, warping, and curving all around us. If this made you rethink gravity just a little, give that subscribe button a tap, and if you're ready to fall into a black hole, check out our next video. Trust me, it gets even weirder. Catch you in the next one.